Today we will be experimenting with a very cool technique to achieve a painterly look. Used by well-known artists in Blender industry. I will use a Ghibli-style cloud as an example to achieve this goal. Have you ever wondered how Ghibli clouds are made in Blender? This is a technique few that know about. It is used to make 3D art look more painterly. We're going to dive into Geo nodes to achieve that look. Now let's start. First, switch into EV mode and under color management go to View and select Standard. Then Shift A and go to Metaball, select Ball. Then import a Ghibli cloud image for reference. Start duplicating the metaballs with Shift D. Select all by pressing A. Then press Ctrl A. Select Visual Geometry to mesh. Now delete the base cloud. Go to Modifier tab and select a subdivision modifier and a decimate to lower the polygon count. Add a camera. Then go to the Shader Editor World tab and apply these shader nodes. A texture coordinate, separate XYZ, math node set to subtract. A color ramp. Connect the object to vector, the z-axis to the subtract value and the value to color ramp factor, and now set your sky color with the color ramp. Now add a light and set it to sun. Don't forget to apply a material to your cloud and name it. We will use later in the Geo nodes. Now we start with the good stuff. Go to Geometry Node tab and select New. Now press Shift A and apply these nodes. First, a grid. Set the X and Y to 0.3. Add a distribute points on faces, instance on points, object info, position node, a vector math and set it to subtract. And an align Euler to vector. Now connect the nodes exactly as you see. Add a self object. Object info. a vector rotate, stored named attribute, and a set material. Connect the node as you see. Change the vector rotate to Euler. In the stored named attribute change point to instance, float to vector, and name to normal. Go to set material and select your cloud material. Add a line vector Euler to vector, switch to z-axis. Now we go to shader editor and apply a proper material. Delete principal BSDF and add a diffuse BSDF. Add an attribute node transparent BSDF, mix shader, change the attribute geometry to instance, and name to normal the same in the stored name attribute. Don't misspell it. Now add those nodes as you see, a Voronoi texture and gradient texture. Then select Voronoi texture, Ctrl-T. By the way, first you have to activate Node Wrangler, go to Edit, Preferences Add-ons, search Node Wrangler and save. Add an object info and connect the location to the Voronoi texture location. Add 3 color ramps a mix color, set it to linear light. Change the gradient texture from linear to spherical, and the Voronoi texture from F1 to smooth F1. Now connect color to color ramp factor. Both color ramps, connect them to mix color A and B, and connect the mix color to third color ramp. Now add a math node, set it to multiply and a light path. Connect the color ramp to the upper value of the multiply and light path in camera ray to the second value. Now connect the value of the multiply to the mix shader factor. Now go to Texture Coordinate and switch Generated to Object in both the Voronoi texture and the Gradient texture. Press N in the shader editor, select Options, go to Render Method, change Dither to Blended. Now go back to the color ramps, move the slider till you are satisfied with the look. Thanks for watching.